The goal of this activity is to read a recipe following a sequence of steps. Before beginning, the learner and caregiver will gather all the tools and ingredients needed and also wash their hands. First, together, check the instructions and make sure that the learner understands all the steps. Some learners may need an additional visual to help them through the instructions. Next, read and follow each instruction one step at a time. Keep following each step until the recipe is fully prepared. Remember to use prompting such as first, then, next to help the learner move through the steps. Learners who are beginning to learn to follow a recipe may need modeling from the caregiver in order to safely complete the task. When mastering a new skill, repetition is important. Some learners may need to follow the same recipe multiple times before they understand the steps. When the task is complete, remember to prompt by saying, "Finished! Great job following the recipe. Time to eat and then clean up."